Hey y'all, I know it's been a minute. I've been busy, y'all. I had a birthday. I had a lot of stuff going on. But I got some packages. So let's get into it. It looks like there's like a little small topper in there. I'm sorry. I know y'all want to see the package, but I want to see the topper, y'all. Give me a little rat's nest. Oh boy, the rat's nest. Oh, like one of the powder sweet. I don't know. They look like toppers. When Doves Cry, free sample. Irish Berry Brulee, free sample. One of them got opened. I'll put them over here. And what's this? I'm curious to see what this little thing is here. It says, thank you. Is this starch in here? Oh my God, y'all. It's starch in here. It's scented. I can't believe I'm getting ready to do this. It's scented starch. It's scented. I hope I hope she don't tell me that that's like supposed to be like a body fragrance or something. And a bracelet and a thank you card. Love these little care things. This should be a pretty easy unboxing. I got 2 chips, which I've like fallen in love with the chips. I got some Senate OG Gain. I told her just to put them in one big bag. So OG Gain. I'm back on my game in Irish Spring. Folders, OG Game. So I got folders and chunks and chips. I love that. And I made some yesterday, y'all. Real quick before we get into theirs, let's try mine. I did a Irish Spring and Game package, bottle 2 liter. And I sent it the Starch Argo yellow container. I sent it the Starch prior and did it that way. Let's see. It's raining outside, y'all. The second package that I got, it came from Dink. I love Dink. I love Dink. This is just cooked. Okay. All right, y'all. Let's get started. So we're gonna do the OG Game chips from I Swallow Crunchies. These are scented. Sorry for the train. So I got 2 chips. I asked her to combine them. They were $8, so this package cost me 16 bucks. And I love these. I don't know how she gets these chips to be so like good. Cause my chips be soft. Y'all wanna see my chips? My chips be looking like this. That's how my chips be looking. Her chips be looking like baby chunks. Okay, let's see. I love a rainy day, y'all. Crunching in the rain. So this was my Boulder and Chunk bag from I Swallow Crunchies. You already know I got it scented game. Okay, those were so good. I want to do when the doves cry sample on this one. Let's do it on this one. Come on. Getting it all over the place. Starch is so messy. So the topper, I give the topper a 10 out of 10. If you like a soft, light, fresh scent, this is for you. It's not overwhelming. It's not overpowering, any of that. It's just perfect. I'm gonna scoop up the rest of it. All right, y'all, so y'all know I'm stingy about my Dink Golden product. If you haven't ordered from Dink, I truly recommend that you order from Dink. She's a good seller. Like, I've been purchasing from her since like almost a full year now, and I've had no issues with Dink. Like, she's the sweetest, she's prompt, her shipping is on time, and we have a good business friendship. It's, hey girl, sometimes she'll redirect me to her menu like, Ash, you need to be paying attention, but for the most part, she's a very sweet person. Shout out to Dink. Let's open this one. All right, y'all. I'm probably gonna continue this on TikTok. I got out of TikTok jail. So this was Argo. I'm not sure what type of Argo, but I just wanted regular Argo chunks. I didn't ask her to add nursery to it or anything like that. Let's see. Like, normally I would do nursery chunks. So this is just pure, I believe, a cooked taste chunk. Let's see. Okay, so when y'all see me like looking to the side, thinking, gauging, I'm gauging. So this was supposed to be Argo, right? Which I'm down for whatever when it comes to Dink. But I gotta send her a message. I think that this might be like some type of baby powder, which I'm excited about because I haven't had BP in a while. So I don't know. I'm gonna do another one because maybe I'm wrong. I could taste some type of BP in there. I love when y'all do this to me. I'll be excited for some reason because there's certain things that I wouldn't try if y'all didn't like give me things to try.